dkhot ka Meghalaya Swimmers Association ki iathuh baki nongjngi Khynnah jong ka jylla Meghalaya kin sa Leit Shim Bynta ka Junior National Aquatic Championship ka basaupo pra jong snem 8,000 ya ka bala pynlong ha ka Biju Patniak Swimming Pool kam Sports Complex Kalinga Stadium Bhubaneswar Odisha naduh ka Khynnah hadu ka tarik Naitung 8,000 Kitei ki Khynnah ki badon kumba ngut eiei ki kynthup nakaliang ki Khynnah Syngwan ya Banpynshngain Syngwan cleric Jaden Wanyang James Anderson Karlingdo Mebansan Sangma Mebankitbok Banai bat Pynshngian Ora bat nakaliang ki Khynnah Kitei ya Pdiangsuklang Syngwan ya Mary Jones Syngwan bat Amisha Syngwan haka kerdan ki baha Pdiangsuklang hadu snem karta haka group ka baar kabaya ki Khynnah ki ba hapo khat hadu khat sau snem karta on Leit Shim Bynta lang nakaliang ki Khynnah Syngwan da bahalang Syngwan atyar bare Ethan JM Bla bat Elbers Kharbani bat nakaliang ki Kitei da ila risuk Yuroi isai banbet wanyang bat emir taksu
ka team kebadan hadu khat arpongut junior swimmers te kene ke galong ka jingkermen mulu pastang nomor ba ngila ban poi hadu khat frangut one of the largest contingents nginu mikran big state ki bahe hande state ki baret te no north east ki don tang Tripura Manipur Assam bat ka Meghalaya south big states te hakawide be kalek kawan ilakren i president te ngin hab ya yaisha khindian nomor ba ka ticket na po Guwahati to Calcutta along with RAC, but 100% confirmed at 5 o'clock, 5:30 in New York for confirmation. Kata kala ada assurance. Dan apa Kolkata pat pihak Shim ya ke bus pat manage Bhubaneswar. Dan ala ada biar keren but ki organizer station po Bhubaneswar kinwan shaw yupi na po ka station bah here ka bus bah nang tupat kinyalam ifi siapa ka hostel bude kita ki hostels ki jakasa accommodation data menta ki players but ki officials suka penting ikmik pa tang players and officials kinyo sa hang tu atat ka bam ru kan ai nang tu hi but kalek kawan napo ka hostel siapa ka venue ki benbet nang ki bro te akabai but ka jingwan kata ka na hapo Bhubaneswar hi ngimdei ban don kono ka jus fly ne kai because kilap pundai no maki hangte.
We've been preparing for 2 weeks now since we've just previously ended our exam, and so we didn't get quite much time to prepare, but we did our very best to prepare. We got in the morning, we swam, and in the afternoon as well we swam, and the same goes for my counterpart Atyar. He's still amidst the exam, but then we are still striving our very best to practice to the best of our ability because we need to show our best. I'm not quite sure how to answer that, but then I'm going there with a positive mindset that even though if I do not win, I'll be able to give my very best. Yeah, true. I previously went to Bangalore the previous year in November, if not mistaken. September, yeah, we went in September, and there too I gave my very best. But yeah. I hope I'll do the very best this time. In the state, we swim well, but then when compared to other states, to be truthful, we are quite inferior, and I think that we need more training and we need like a permanent coach because we keep on changing our coaches. So yeah, we need much more to achieve better in the future. To be honest, in Meghalaya we have only a 25 meters pool, and as compared to other states, as Assam, they have many 50 meters pool, which gave them an upper hand in training and much more better experience than us.